Welcome to our video series to help you create a Joomla site with JSN PageBuilder. This video will introduce the page structure and elements. From the Joomla dashboard, choose Content, Articles, and then select an article. Choose Click to Edit button to edit this article. To get an overview about page structure, click on the button on the left toolbar that shows the page outline. Click on the section to see the elements inside. For instance, this section has two columns within a row. One of these columns includes two headings and a paragraph. The elements can be customized by click on it and then adjust color, margin, padding, font, and more on the right-hand toolbar with Styling tab. JSN PageBuilder allows users to customize for laptop, tablet, and mobile by selecting from the responsive layout button on the top toolbar. Once done, click on Save button to save the page. That's all for this video tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe now to watch more great videos.